Hello fellow crafters and welcome to Max DM Crafting. This is a special steampunk tile. Stay a while and listen. So guys, this is a piece very special. It's very simple to create. It's pure aesthetic. With this you can add a nice touch to your dwarven dungeon. The idea comes from Skyrim because their Dwemer state city underground are great, and actually I wanted to create some environment very evocative. And yeah, I want to feel the Skyrim vibes when I play with my players, okay? This is quite a short tutorial, but it's full of nice tips, so crack on!
This piece is a prototype, and we will need it for the pieces that are to come. The idea is to insert technological elements in a tile without, however, altering its fantasy aspect. This piece, in particular, is designed to be placed above other tiles, to offer an elevated level. Using the power of the Proxon, I made a tile of the same height as one of my Fusion tile system tiles. Check out my tutorial number 19. With the lowest temperature, it is very easy to mark the grid on the tiles, as you can see here. I removed the central piece of my tile, after which I divided it about halfway. I reduced the lower part by about 5 mm per side and attached it to a piece of chipboard, centering it thanks to the central hole. I created side bricks and I textured everything with the aluminum foil technique. I took a couple of straws and I measured what was needed directly on the piece and filled them with hot glue. At this point, before assembling, I covered all the compartments and recesses with black acrylic paint. Doing it afterwards would have been really a pain in the ass. At this point I assembled my pipes, already giving a silver to the two pipes inside the cockpit, and I use a silver also as a base for the other pipes.
Sorry guys, I want to interrupt because all the time I forget to say thank you. Thank you to my supporters, thank you to you that are watching this video. I know that I'm quite boring when I stop my videos for ask support and stuff like that, but I want to push this. I want to push the fact that without you this channel cannot exist. So continue to support me through Patreon, through PayPal, and buying something through Amazon links on the description box below. In this way you can help me keep this channel and continue to do these videos, okay? Now yes, let's go on.
I cut out a piece of plastic mesh of the right sides and colored it black before gluing it. I then took the second half of my tile and covered it all up. Here I realized that I had to create the texture of the floor before assembling everything. I will remember that next time. Being a prototype, I wanted to keep the paint job really simple. Black paint. To speed up drying times, I tamp with toilet paper. Then a grey, semi-dry brush. I highlight some bricks with a light grey and then dab again. A dry brush with off-white. And now I cover all the metal parts with a dwarf bronze. Yeah, it's pretty much it. And this is only the beginning. I can't wait to show you all the ideas I have for this dungeon set. Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Okay? Till next time. Dovakin, Dovakin, Dovatira.